So, I want to take this time to thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for all the support you've been showing me on the videos and all the greatness that's been happening. I really do appreciate it. I wanted to make a little bit of a video today talking about it, and we got a little bit of default cube pixel art style playing in the background here. So, the channel's been doing extremely well, and I'm very ecstatic about that for a lot of different reasons. We're reaching more people. We're able to help more people out with Blender stuff, with pixel art stuff, with art stuff in general. Digital art, drawing, animation, all different types of stuff. And you guys are really seeming to enjoy it. I'm really happy about that. What we're going to be doing in the future is we're going to be doing a lot more animation-y things. So I kind of want to stray away from that because animation takes a long time. It takes way longer than just the 10 minutes that I try to keep my videos. If you notice, I don't have one video on the channel that's over 10 minutes long. So I've been trying to keep the videos really short because that's, what I'm aiming to do with the videos, and keep everything short and sweet so you guys don't have to watch a 45-minute long tutorial to do something. But animation takes a lot of time, and I can't just go, hey, we're gonna animate this today and have it be done in 10 or so minutes. And I didn't really want to chop it up like I do when I do multi-part series, because I just wanted to get in there and just animate, and do a thing, just get in there and not worry about, hey, this is exactly what we're doing. I'm just gonna animate on camera just so you guys see a process, and that's gonna take way longer than 10 minutes. So I might do that in the future. We'll have to see. As for Blender stuff, I do want to, I have a really good idea. We're going to start making some really tiny rigs, I think. I really want to start doing some little character guys and just stuff like that, kind of get like a full package in there. Maybe we'll do some multi-layer scenes. I don't know. I want to try and do like more objects. I'm going to start creating some objects and doing some stuff like that. And of course, I always love doing materials, so we're going to be doing some more materials as well. So pretty much what I'm saying is nothing's going to change. We're going to be doing the same stuff. I do want to add some new stuff. Like I said, I do want to start maybe doing some Mixcraft tutorials. A lot of you guys have been asking me about Mixcraft tutorials lately because there's no Mixcraft tutorials on YouTube. There's a few, but there's not a lot. There's definitely not a lot. So, I don't know. We might start doing some of that. Some music tutorials. That'll be a lot of fun. And like I said, I really do want to do some more animation tutorials. But like I said, they take a long time. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll do like a crash course, like full process. And I'll just get in there and we'll animate for a long time. And I'll just, talk and we'll just do that. I don't know. I can't make that a regular thing though, because that's just going to be a lot. That's going to be a lot of time, But yeah. So, I really want to thank you guys so much. So much support you guys have been showing me on the videos. I really do appreciate it. I mean, you guys have no idea. I don't talk about a lot of stuff, behind the scenes, but you guys have no idea how much I'm really grateful for this channel for so many different reasons. But yeah, so pixel art default cube is looking pretty good at this moment, and I'm gonna do a little bit of talking about this video for a second. The biggest tip I can give you of pixel art animation is try to make sure the last frame, if it's looping, the last frame and the first frame kind of match each other. So they're not like, it's not like super jarring when it goes from the last frame to the first frame. Because the worst thing about a pixel art loop is that you can tell it's looping. Any kind of animation loop, you can tell it's looping. That's terrible. Worst thing you can do is probably make it not loop. So the best thing you can do is make sure it's as fluid as possible. And that's it. So like I said, I really wanted to just take this time to thank you all for all the support. I'll see you in the next video, whatever that video is going to be. Thank you so much. Peace out. But until then, bye-bye.